For a living, our farmers in many countries still have to be in direct contact with pesticides for crop protection. Hand spraying is not only hard work, it also causes serious harm to the health of our farmers. The cost is really too expensive to human lives. Furthermore, with hand spraying, the pesticide cannot cover the crops evenly. There is weak capability to localize the needed farm areas to destroy weeds and insects in time. The amount of pesticide and water actually used exceeds the amount needed. More importantly, farmers cannot accurately control the amount of pesticides sprayed on crops. Therefore, the amount of pesticides on Vietnamese agricultural products often exceeds the permitted level. The consequences are consumer health is directly affected by dirty agricultural products and cannot be traced back to their origin. Exports are often returned, resulting in agricultural products being devalued. They cannot even be accepted by consumers in our home market. This is a heavy blow to the agricultural sector of many countries in the global market. Meanwhile, the environment suffers heavy consequences. Residue from excessive pesticides seeps into the ground, gradually deteriorating our farmland and making it infertile, also polluting and exhausting our valuable water sources. That huge pain cannot be described. Our solution, an advanced solution, and an outstanding solution. This is a service solution using an unmanned light aircraft called DaaS, Drone-as-a-Service, from JWCLab by integrating 6 cutting-edge global technologies. This is an inevitable trend and the only way, leading to a remarkable and sustainable agriculture, creating an advancement in the trend of digitizing agriculture sector, supported and promoted by central governments in many countries and by large agricultural solution enterprises around the world. DaaS from JWCLab is an agricultural service solution that provides significant savings on both pesticide and water usage, an exceptionally shorter time for land coverage compared to the hand spraying method, a complete cut in certain unskilled labor to unleash human capital in other trained skill areas, high precision of weed and insect management in all cultivated areas, same or much reduced cost than the old method by implementing DaaS with a local support team of experts, absolute protection for the farmer from the risk of direct exposure to harmful chemicals. Agricultural Service Solution DaaS from JWCLab brings a streamlined and automatic digitizing process and procedure to the agricultural sector. This is a necessary premise towards providing food traceability to ensure food safety and to build direct trust from farmers to consumers. It leads us to an unsurpassed and sustainable agriculture and a return to a healthy environment. It fulfills the dreams and aspirations of millions of farming households. About the company, the people who are behind that key DaaS solution are the people who have the capability of capturing the movement of the Industrial Revolution 5.0 era. Professor Luan Du Nguyen, Associate Professor An Ngoc Vu, along with a team of experts, including many experienced doctors and senior advisors in diverse fields. The future that we look forward to is in front of us. The farmer's nightmare and any further damages to our environment will end. Please join us in building a bright future that is within reach by providing agricultural service solutions that bring breakthrough changes, such as using drones and other advanced technologies. DaaS service from JWCLab, together for the future of the world.